Look around you. What would life be like if wood was left to rot, metal rusted, and the walls cracked? The world would become colourless, lifeless, and devoid of inspiration. That's not how we imagine the world. We have to care for and protect the important things around us, the things that you rely on, so that you can get on with living your life. That's why AkzoNobel is focused on life's essentials, protecting buildings, roads and transport, developing ingredients for the products you use every day, and bringing colour to your life. Whether you're conserving and treasuring the past, or building the world of tomorrow. But the only way to be successful in the future is to care about the future. So we're dedicated to making the world more sustainable by creating more value from radically less resources, to build an inspiring world for a growing population. A world where cities are more human, have a stronger sense of community, and are full of energy. We believe that's possible because at AkzoNobel, we create everyday essentials to make people's lives more livable and inspiring. Essential ingredients, essential protection, essential colour.
Studies indicate that by 2050, planet Earth will have to support 9 billion people. At AkzoNobel, we want to play an active role in addressing this challenge. The result is Planet Possible, a sustainability program based on reinventing the way we use the world's resources. We work together with customers and suppliers to do radically more while using substantially less, improving efficiency, reducing our environmental footprint throughout the value chain, inspiring our people to constantly seek out new opportunities, and actively enhancing lives in the communities in which we operate. Sustainability is at the heart of our business strategy. By opening up infinite possibilities in a finite world, we aim to make life more livable, healthy and colourful for the world's ever-growing population. A future we can all look forward to.
The pace of change is accelerating. Digital technology is transforming every aspect of our lives, making things easier and faster. In business too, it's streamlining processes, increasing efficiency and reducing cost. The launch of Colourvation from AkzoNobel marks a new chapter in digital colour for the vehicle refinishes industry. Colourvation is an innovative, user-friendly digital colour platform designed to deliver measurable results for your business. Greater accuracy, shorter cycle times, and ultimately, greater profitability. It's based on two advanced digital colour tools, Automagic and Mix-It. Automagic Vision is the latest generation of our pioneering spectrophotometer, capable of returning the most accurate results every time. Automagic Vision is Wi-Fi enabled and able to connect anywhere in your body shop. Digital matching means fewer errors and greater control over cost and materials. In some cases, users report a reduction of up to 20% in overall paint use. Mix-It, our cloud-based colour identification and retrieval application, gives users immediate access to a vast database of more than 2 million colours. That means maximum choice and maximum consistency from job to job. Leading refinishers around the world are already discovering the outstanding results made possible by Colourvation. Are you ready to give your business the digital advantage?
Mixit, the future of color retrieval. Meet the world's fastest color retrieval tool. Mixit is ultra-fast and user-friendly with real-time formula updates and can be used on any device, anywhere. The first time you start Mixit, you will be guided through the setup wizard. Select your preferences for country, language, products, and documentation. You can easily change these settings in the main menu at any time. In the search bar, you can enter free text to find the color, like car make, model, color description, and color code. Another way of searching is by click and find. Scroll across, select the car make, and again, click the model, the year, and find all the relevant color options that way. All you need to do then is click the correct color, and the most accurate color match for all our brands will display on screen. Choose your preferred unit of measure and desired amount, and either print out the color formula or export it as a PDF. So Mixit is easy to use and fast, gives instant updates. Plus, you can use Mixit on any device, seamlessly, anytime, anywhere. Discover the world's easiest and fastest color retrieval tool today.
At our collision center, we do a lot of direct repair work with major insurance companies. There's definitely challenges with trying to match color manually or with a chip system. A painter would have to lay that out, make their best educated guess. However, it would depend on the light, whether you were inside or outside. Going digital has been great. Talking to our painters in our body shop, the camera's been fantastic. Simple process, just take a camera, put it up against the panel of a vehicle, snap a picture, and then you load the data from that camera into your computer, and it automatically gives you the paint formula. It just takes the guesswork out of it. It's definitely helped our bottom line. Just saving on redos is one of the biggest things. Cycle time's huge in our industry, and we want to make sure that a customer brings their car in, we want to get back to them as soon as possible. So being able to know that when our painter uses the digital camera, we're going to get the right color match the first time. That's huge. Saves us a ton of time and money. Going digital has definitely helped us stay ahead of our competitors. I would say our painters were definitely maybe skeptical at first that just going to a digital camera versus your normal paint chips, that it was going to work and it was going to be consistent and accurate. But once they started using it, we haven't got a chip out since we've had the camera.
The spectrophotometer measures a specific colour curve unique to each panel. Think of it as looking through a pair of glasses with scratch lenses. Measuring a poorly prepared area will impact the measurement results, that is, colour accuracy. Here's a panel that's been sprayed with colour, measured from the section with micro scratches and swirls. Here's a panel that's been sprayed with colour, measured from the area polished correctly. It's most important to correctly prepare the area to measure. How much more time does the panel preparation process take? About 3 minutes. That's not a lot of time to ensure the best match possible. First, clean the panel with glass cleaner. This will remove any dust, dirt or contaminants. Wet sand the panel with 3M Trizac P5000 sandpaper by hand, which will remove any surface contaminants and fine scratches, providing an ideal foundation to start polishing. Buff the panel using 3M No. 1 compound, an initial abrasive used to remove the P5000 scratches with ease. Buff the panel using 3M No. 2 compound, a fine abrasive glaze used to remove 3M No. 1 compound scratches. Buff the panel using 3M No. 3 compound, a final machine polish. A final clean with glass cleaner will remove any polish residue or haze. If, upon inspection with a 3M sun gun or LED flashlight, excessive swirl marks are evident, repeat the process, especially for dark colours. The surface is now prepared for a measurement with the spectrophotometer. Automatic Smart Search. The Automatic Smart Search process helps you select the most accurate colour match for AkzoNobel's extensive database of automotive colours. By following the Automatic Smart Search process, you can quickly and easily find the best possible formula to match. Using Automatic Smart Search in conjunction with the vehicle's colour code, the formulas returned will most likely already contain the correct ratio of metallics and pearls in the colour of the car you're working on, ensuring that you're maximising process optimisation, accuracy and speed. From the home screen, click on Technician. For Effect Colours, enter Vehicle Colour Code, Make, then click Search. Click on Add Colour Sample. Enter the job number or registration in Sample Description, then select Product Line. Click on OK. highlight the colour, then click Synchronize Work List or Send and Receive. Always perform the panel prep process before taking a measurement. Then perform the measurement. Connect the spectrophotometer to the PC. Then click Synchronize Work List. Highlight your measurement. Click on Automatic Smart Search for the result. Click Accept. Then enter Amount and click Start a Mix. For a solid colour, click on Measurements. Click on Add Colour Sample. In Sample Description, enter the job number. Select the appropriate product line. From Effect Type List, choose Solid. Leave Car Make blank, then click on OK. Click on Synchronize Work List or Send and Receive. Always perform the panel prep process before taking a measurement. Take a measurement. Connect the spectrophotometer to the PC. Click on Synchronize Work List. Highlight colour. Click on Automatic Smart Search for the result. Click on Accept. Enter amount. Then click on Start a Mix. You have now completed an Automatic Smart Search. Automatic Smart Correction. If upon inspection of the spray out the selected formula is close but not quite adequate for the repair, you can perform a correction measurement which will see the necessary adjustments made. A mathematical model is used to improve the formula. This also takes into account application variables, as this will impact the final colour match. From the home screen, click on Technician. Click on Measurements. Highlight Colour for correction. Click on Q Sprayout Measurement. Then click Synchronize Work List. Perform the measurement of the sprayout. Reconnect the spectrophotometer to the PC. Then click on Synchronize Work List. Highlight your measurement. Click on Automatic Smart Correction for the result. This will show the adjustments made between the original and corrected formulas. Click on Accept. Enter the amount to spray and then click Start a Mix. You have now completed the Smart Correction process. Building your own bank. The Automatic Smart Search process also enables you to build your own bank of saved digital colour formulas, saving you time and ensuring a confident match. From the home screen, click on Technician. Click on Measurements. Highlight the colour. Then click on Q Sprayout Measurement. Then click Synchronize Work List. Measure the final sprayout or the painted vehicle. Reconnect the spectrophotometer to the PC. Click Synchronize Work List or Send and Receive. Highlight the colour. Then click on Save to Own Colour Bank. Add your own specific details to coincide with this colour measurement, such as car make, model and measurement data. To see this stored measurement and formula, click on Colours. Click on Own Colour Library, then enter the colour details. The measurement and formula are now stored in Own Colour Library as an own variant.
Do you feel that you are in more control of this business? If that was the only thing we gained from all this, that's good enough, because this is a brutally difficult business at any given moment. If I was a customer, a body shop owner today, what I would want from my paint company or OE or anybody else to partner with me the next 5 to 10 years, I think we're ill-prepared for the rate of change, and I would want a company that's willing to help me navigate that.
So just off today to see Craig at Bodyline, Motor Body Repairs. He values his staff. That's probably the big thing with Craig. He's not shy to change things, and he's not scared of change. And I think you can get your work in from all different aspects and different suppliers, but once you got it in the shop, that's where you got to make or break it. So we catch up once a month, go through our numbers. We set an annual operating plan. In June, we just set our goals for the year and our targets, and we run monthly analysis with that. So we look at their numbers. You can make decisions on your business through it. We look at the panel beating, the spray painting, wages, profitability, GP in all areas, and making sure the guys are making a dollar.
I joined AkzoNobel about 4 or 5 years ago, and that's where I met my consultant, Pete Hardy. We changed from another paint supplier who was here for about 25 years, and then we changed to Akzo, and then as soon as we went into it, said, I really want to get into this AkzoNobel program, because the takeover from the business was going to help me to learn how to manage the business, how to run the business. Since the time that we've done the changeover about 4 or 5 years ago to this current end of financial year, which is coming up this year, we have doubled our turnover. It's had a big part of it, really narrowing down to the different aspects of the job, with the way that the quote's written, the way that the cars are booked in, the way that the parts are ordered, the training of the staff, which is a massive thing, which we get a lot of help with that as well. Getting the cars through quicker with less problems increases the profitability of the business.
It's helping this business along, because we still have the same amount of staff. Now we're turning over around about an extra 5 cars a week.
Quite a few years back it was all done on gut, and if you didn't have it in your diary and the shop wasn't full where you couldn't get around in the shop, you didn't have enough work. But one of the changes we've seen now, we probably have less cars in the shop every day of the week, but we're putting more out because we've got an easier workflow and we don't have bottlenecks.
It kind of simplifies things, so we have like a magnetised board with every car that's in the workshop. Every car gets assigned to a certain tradesman, and it gets started and moves along a process and goes through each process. And the tradesperson has to move that magnet along so we can have a physical view of where the cars are in the workshop.
The goal, ultimately, besides making money, is make the business less dependent on you. That was my biggest problem. I'm Bob Gilbert. I work for AkzoNobel Services in North America. I am down here teaching a user group around a specific set of tools designed to drive profitability within the business. Where I came from, my boss told me, he goes, you know what's wrong with this place, Bob? And you know my personality. What? You? Me? Let me tell you something. You should be building a bronze statue of my ass outside this building. What are you talking about? I'm the problem. And what he really meant was, because I wanted to shoulder the burden of everything. I wanted all the magic to come through me, that I was harming everybody else by not letting them grow, and I couldn't grow.
Yeah, I'm here today to catch up with Glenn Chesser. He's been a long-term AkzoNobel customer. He's been involved with AkzoNobel for quite some time now. We've implemented a lot of improvements throughout Graham Bodyworks that have benefited Glenn and driven the profitability to his bottom line. Today we're going to look at some expansion plans for his body shop. We're also going to have a look at some of his targets and review some of the KPIs and track against his budget.
So, what have we got today? It's actually not bad today, travelling so far.
You've still got enough work coming through.
Plenty.
Still got your buffers there.
Yeah, plenty.
Yeah.
Yes.
What percentage do you think of your works, like your work mix, is small? What percentage is medium? What percentage is heavy? We need to have a look at that.
Yep.
Measure it between.
I think it'd be in line with a lot of what other people are experiencing out there.
Yeah.
But mediums are big,
Medium
and then you were a lot of bumper bar jobs too.
Yeah.
So they're just always coming through on the mix.
That's where you know those sides. You've got your front, your bonnet, your guard, your door. That's where you can take them off and do the build down as you know as a separate job.
Okay, let's do it.
Sounds
like a good plan.
Just in your mind, how's the industry changed over the years, and how's it affected you directly in your business, mate?
Well, that's why we were sitting here this morning for an hour going over some of these plans. But, massive changes. But yeah, the industry's changed so rapidly. There's a lot of pressures on keeping costs tighter and down and becoming more efficient.
So do you think with the work we're doing together, it's going to help you with your vision to get towards where you want to be?
Yeah, well, we've been with the AkzoNobel program ever since I took over the business, 8 years now.
Yep.
And instantly we started changing things from the word go, and we've slowly changed things. We've gone right through PCE processes and the G5 program, which is we've implemented lots of stuff, and it obviously works because now we're getting more throughput and getting it done right. So our quality control checkpoints and so on.
At least you've got those vital elements there.
And they've been good building blocks to make that happen. 8 years that I've been there at that site. In that 8 years, we've completely outgrown it, hence the reason we've now got to move to this future-proof the business and redesign. So,
time to expand.
Time to expand.
Yeah.
We don't have a choice, we have to do it.
The challenge that you see consistently, no matter where you are in the world, is, to me, the equation that this business is just simply people repairing cars. And a lot of the time, people forget about people. Disengaged employees, unclear expectations, micromanagement. To me, fixing the people that fix the car is a lot more valuable and a whole lot more untapped potential. I've always said that this is the most rewarding job. Watching customers improve, watching them grow. I've even told people that I would do this job for free because of seeing that happen.